You sometimes don't realize it until it breaks, how much you rely on plumbing in particular. With the snowpocalypse, all the people without water really realized how much they need that water.
I come into your home, I take care of your concerns and your issues, and hopefully protect you from having diseases and damages and stuff along those lines.
The importance of a good plumbing system really comes down to health and safety. As a service plumber, part of my job is to help customers understand what needs to be done as well as why.
We're going to walk you through the process, let you know this is what I'm thinking, this is what I see. We're trying to fix the issue. Our sales aren't our goal. It's to solve the issue so you don't have to come and see us again.
We strive with our customers to just go above and beyond and meet any expectations that they have. We try not to leave until they're fully satisfied and happy with our service.